Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use unless. Using unless in sentences means the same as except if. It means that something will be like you say it will be, except if something else happens, which will make the first part not true. So let's have a look at the sentence example. A team can't be world champions unless they practice very hard. So if they don't practice very hard, it will make the first part true. They won't be world champions unless they practice very hard. Let's have a look at another example. I won't go to the party unless Tom goes. So unless this happens, unless Tom goes, I won't go to the party. But if Tom does go, I will go to the party. Another way of doing this is to use if, not. This has the same meaning as unless. Let's have a look at the sentence example. If a team does not practice very hard, they cannot be world champions. So this is another way of saying the same sentence. Let's have a look at another example. If Tom will not go to the party, neither will I. So I am saying the same thing as I did in this sentence, but in a different way. They have the same meaning. So here I have if Tom will not go to the party, neither will I. Excellent job today. Well done. Goodbye.